Hey guys, I have cut some shelf liner. This is actually like a creamy white shelf liner. I just got it at Big Lots. You can get this shelf liner also that has the little holes through it at the Dollar Tree in multiple colors. I also have that as well, but I'm just trying to do this quickly for an event tonight. I didn't have time to spray paint my dollar store frame, so this is like a copper color with the ivory shelf liner, so that's going to look kind of dressy, but that's alright. I have just cut it to size for this 8.5 by 11 picture frame. Took my trusty hot glue gun here, just went around the inside track that the glass normally sits on, just all the way around here with hot glue, and then I cut the shelf liner to size so that it would fit onto that lip. You don't want it to be on the actual frame itself here, just fit it on the lip there. And then I also went back with my little spare pieces of shelf liner that I had and cut, maybe you can see that, smaller little strips to just help reinforce the glued edge. So I put another bead of hot glue around every edge there, and I put another piece of shelf liner. I still need to do this end right here. And then the only other thing you got to do is put your frame backing back on there and bend down your prongs, and then you can put your earrings on there. Here is the little earring display that I have made, and I just hung a couple of pairs of earrings on here as an example so you can see. That shelf liner with all the little holes in there is perfect to just slide your earrings through the holes, and you can have it in your picture frame and you can display it nicely on a table. It's just a regular dollar store picture frame. I took the little piece of glass out, which I was surprised it was actually glass. I thought it'd be plexiglass or something, or you know, the plastic. Took that out, put the shelf liner in, hot glued the shelf liner around the edges on the back side, then replaced the back cardboard piece with the little, mine's got the fold down tabs. Now on some future ones that I plan to make, the frame I'm probably going to spray paint like a hot pink and a turquoise because it goes with my pink and blue colors, kind of over here if you can see that. For tonight I needed a quick and easy one, and that looks nice. It's a cream and kind of a coppery brown frame, so it's going to do the job tonight.